Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a proper paper boat, just like this one. Okay, so let's get on to the tutorial. So first, you need an A4 size paper, like this. Now, you fold it in half, like this. Try to make it as perfect as possible. There we go. Now fold it in half again, like that. Try to make it perfect. There. Now open it again. Now fold these corners inwards, like this. Do the same to the other side or other corner. Like that. There we go. Now fold this like that. Now turn it around and do the same to this side. Now fold these corners inwards, inside here. Do the same to these as well. Now open from here, open it like this and push it back in like that. Like that. Now fold this up here. Make it the same size as this. And do the same to the other side. Like this. Now open this like that again. Now open these two sides like that. And there. So yeah, here. And if you want, you can open this a bit so it floats better. Like that. Hope you liked this video. Like if you did. Please subscribe. It will be a lot of help. And comment down below what you want to learn how to make next time. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.